In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case you're trying to sign out from your iPhone iCloud account and the option is grayed out, and even if you click here it doesn't work and it says sign out is not available due to restrictions. And I'll show you how to fix this. Okay, so when you see this, just go back into your settings, go down until you see screen time. Tap on this, then go down until you see content and privacy restrictions. Over here the toggle usually is turned on like this. You need to turn it off and it will ask you for your screen time passcode. This is different than the passcode you use to unlock your phone. This is a passcode you created separately. So go ahead and type it. Mine is this. And now it should be off. Unfortunately, even if it's off right now, I'll just show you. Now go back here. Even if it's off, you still do not have access to sign out. So what should you do? Well, it's easy. Go back, go in screen time, go down until you see change screen time passcode. Tap, and then you need to tap on turn off screen time passcode. It will ask you for your screen time passcode and again, type it. And now still you cannot do it. I think it's a bug because you need to go into content and privacy restriction again and turn on screen restriction and turn off. And finally now if we're going into the iCloud over here and go down, you should be able to see sign out finally. So this is how you solve this problem. I'm pretty sure it's a bug because I don't think they plan you to go and go back a billion times to do this simple thing. But yeah, this is how it works. So please write and comment down below if everything worked out for you, and subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.